Aloha! After last week's monster Kona low dumped record rain and floods, Hawaii's bracing for round two! This second weaker Kona low is moving in today, March 19th, 2026, lingering through the weekend.
Expect pockets of heavy rain, several inches possible in spots. Ground is already soaked from the first storm, so flash flooding, landslides, and stream overflows are the big risk. Winds gusty but not extreme. Flood watch state. Islanders, secure loose stuff, avoid flood zones, stay home if possible. Tourists, delay plans, check hotel road updates, no ocean swimming, big surf danger. Everyone, turn around, don't drown. This one's milder than the first, no hurricane winds, but with soaked land, even moderate rain hits hard. Stay dry, stay alert. Mahalo for watching. Drop your storm prep tips below. Subscribe for more Hawaii Real Talk.